Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Asana rules for automatic task routing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Asana and log into your account. Navigate to the project where you want to set up rules. Click on the Customize button located in the top right corner of the project view. In the Customize menu, scroll down to the Rules section. Click on the Add Rule button to begin creating a new rule. You will see a selection of pre-built rules to choose from. Choose a pre-built rule relevant to your needs or select Create a custom rule to make your own. If you chose to create a custom rule, start by selecting a trigger. Triggers can include actions like task is added, task is moved, or task is completed. After selecting a trigger, next, set the desired actions that should occur when the trigger and conditions are met. Actions might include assign to a specific team member, change due date, or move to another section. Once you have configured your trigger, conditions, and actions, click the Save Rule button. You can always edit or delete rules later if your project requirements change. To test your newly created rule, add a task that meets the trigger criteria. Observe if the rule activates as expected and performs the listed actions. If adjustments are needed, return to the Customize menu and modify your rule accordingly. Repeat this process to set up additional rules as necessary for your project. By effectively using rules, you can streamline your workflow and improve project management in Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.